Hey guys, so today I will teach you how to get Hulu for free. So I discovered a site that has Hulu promo codes. So basically you can get it for free. So the site is called ogsnags.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Hulu. And as you can see, it says Hulu promo code. So press on it, press show coupon code, and it's going to start to load. So once it loads up, go ahead and press get full code, and basically it's going to bring you over to this new page, and on this page it's going to ask you what you like about shopping at Amazon. So what you need to do is pick one of these. It doesn't matter, but just pick whichever one you like the most. It will not make a difference. So I'm going to do super fast shipping, and now it's going to ask for the email address. So let me just type it in right here, as you can see. So make sure you guys do an email address that you have access to, because they're going to send the code to this email. So after this, guys, it's have us register, so we need to fill out all our information. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So let me just go ahead and do that. So after you type in all the information, guys, all you gotta do is just go ahead and basically like type in the phone number and stuff, the date of birth. All right, so let me just fill this in, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this here. So basically, guys, we need to now do a survey. This is very simple, but I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the survey right here. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right. So let me just answer the questions. So it's pretty easy, as you can see. So let me just do that. All right. So after we do the survey, guys, we should be all set. So let me just go ahead and finish up here, as you can see. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. All right. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish this. Okay. All right. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then we should be all set, guys. So let's just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. All right. I'm going to press I agree and continue. And then it's going to bring us to the final step, guys. So basically, the final thing we have to do is complete the deals, which is pretty easy. I will show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it's going to load, and it's going to say that like everything we did is done. So let's just wait. So as you can see, survey done, optional offers finished, and then the deals. So the deal's pretty easy, guys. It says complete deals to claim your rewards, so they show them right here. So you just do a deal and you should be good. They have like this Monopoly Go one. You got to reach a certain level, so it's like a game you got to download. So here it is. I just wanted to show it to you, the instructions for this deal. But do whatever deal you want, as long as it has a $0 thing, and you will get the free Hulu.